Inside this secured refinery, value does not enter looking clean. Before heat, the material has to prove what it contains. One wrong temperature can turn recovery into waste. This is the first moment. The hidden metal becomes visible. But molten gold is not vault-grade gold. Every container is treated like evidence. Weight is the first proof. Purity is the next one. The scanner is not looking for shine. It is looking for composition. Anything uncertain is removed before the furnace. The crusher only changes what it physically touches. Impurities leave first. The valuable material keeps moving. Even the dust is controlled. The material is now sealed for heat. Once the chamber closes, the transformation becomes irreversible. Heat does not create value by itself. It separates what matters, is what the vault will never accept. Now the metal is clean enough to take shape. This pour is where raw recovery becomes a physical asset. The surface cools first. The core takes longer to surrender its heat. It looks like a gold bar, but it is still unfinished. Finishing removes what casting leaves behind. A bar that is beautiful, but off-weight, cannot move forward. This press gives the bar an identity. After shaping, beauty is no longer enough. Purity has to be measured, not assumed. Every side is checked before certification. Even the inside has to prove itself. Only approved bars enter the vault chain. Certification changes the bar status. Order is part of the security. From here, the gold is no longer handled as metal. It is handled as a controlled asset.
Seal integrity confirmed. Ready for transport.
The final barrier is not the furnace, it is access. The vault opens only after the system has accepted the bar. This is the payoff. Value made visible, counted and protected. One bar is small. Thousands of them become reserve power. When the door closes, dirty material entered the refinery. Certified wealth entered the vault.